Welcome all to SIS Scarborough Shoal, which has become a very important region, not only from the perspective of strategic location, which it is having in the South China Sea, but also with the current news which has come from China, which is about to make it as a nature reserve. Now, this news has come with a lot of backlash from the Philippines and USA, and why China wants to claim that area. The reasons are many, but one of the most important reasons of China doing this activity is because it wants to claim the strategic location over it. First of all, in order to understand the whole story, we have to understand how are they located. So here is China and here is South China Sea. And there is an island of Philippines called Lungsong Island. And here is the Scarborough Island, over which China wants to make a nature reserve. So, according to NCLOS 1982, if any area is coming under the exclusive economic zone of that country, then they can claim that particular island or land as theirs. For example, this Scarborough Island comes under the exclusive economic zone of Philippines and it is nearest to Luzon Island of Philippines. So they claim that this is their area. But the point is that China is claiming that this area belongs to them as they have been ruling it for many years and they keep on patrolling this area from a very long time. Now, obviously, because of all these reasons, this had to come with a backlash from major countries. For example, USA and Philippines, who consider this as one of the most strategic location. Now, why this is as a strategic location? The first point is that this is strategic. This is important because it has military and geopolitical significance. Apart from that, it is important because it has economic significance and not only this, it has maritime and geographic significance. But why one needs to have the claim? The one is military and geopolitical significance. Why one has to claim this area? See, from the military point of view, also for the patrolling and to project its power, this location is very important because you can control the shipping lanes from this point. If you see in the map the location of this particular island, you will analyze that this holds an important strategic location because you can control the shipping lanes from there. Apart from that, it also becomes important to project power. Why the economic significance? Because there is a bountiful fishing which is happening in this area. It's an important fishing zone. And the trade is happening of the fishes from this zone and important for the rare earth minerals as well. And apart from that, the maritime and geographic significance. If you see that a strategic military presence of Scarborough, location, its strategic location makes it extremely contested area as China claims it as a part of 9 dash line, while Philippines consider it as the part of exclusive economic zone. Now, what is this exclusive economic zone? In the view of this, which convention becomes very, very important? So, the Convention of UNCLOS, the United Nations Convention on Laws of the Seas, become extremely important in this view. Why? Because it's an important international treaty adopted in 1982. And what does it say? It regulates the maritime zones. It divides the area under three categories. The first is territorial sea, which comes under 12 nautical miles. Then the contiguous zone, which comes 24 nautical miles. And after that, your 200 nautical miles. The area which is coming under that is known as exclusive economic zones. So, if we have to consider from this point UNCLOS 1982, then Philippines is absolutely right and fair in claiming that the area belongs to them, right? Anything else apart from that, whether it's claiming the area by military acquisition or by patrolling or by anything else, claims to be wrong. So both the countries want to claim their sovereignty over Scarborough Shoal, and it is a very, very important strategic location if you see from the Philippine perspective or China. China has been degrading the area, whether it's a coral reef or important biodiversity of that area from a decade now, and they have done a big damage to around 4,000 acres of the land in that area. That has been said according to the report. So, in a view of it, now one needs to understand that how important the area is and why the two countries are contesting over one region. Thank you so much. I'll bring another news in another video, and you can relate it with your geography or environment syllabus. Thank you.